In this video, you'll learn how to color code your calendar in Notion. By the end of this tutorial, you will have successfully organized your calendar events using color categories for better visual management. Begin by navigating to the Notion website. And your browser, enter the URL for Notion and sign in to your account. Ensure you have a stable internet connection, as a slow connection may delay loading times. Once you are logged in, locate the calendar you wish to modify. Click on the calendar to open it. This will display all your events in a grid format. If your calendar contains many events, it may take a moment to load completely. Next, find the option labeled Edit Properties within the calendar settings. Clicking this will allow you to customize the properties of your calendar. This is an important step as you will be adding new properties for color coding. After that, select the option labeled New Property. This will prompt you to create a new category for your calendar events. Ensure that you have thought about the categories you want to use for color coding, as this will help streamline the process. Once the new property is created, choose Multi-Select as the type. This allows you to assign multiple colors to your events. Selecting the appropriate type is crucial for effective categorization. Now, type in your first category name, such as low. This will serve as one of the color-coded categories for your calendar. After entering the name, confirm the entry to save it. Next, repeat the previous step to add additional categories, such as medium and high. Each category should represent a different priority level. Ensure that you are consistent in naming to avoid confusion later. Once you've created all your categories, click on the Add an Option button. This will allow you to assign colors to each category. Select the high category first to start setting its color. Choose a color that represents the high priority. A bright red may be suitable for urgent tasks. After selecting a color, confirm your choice to apply it to the category. Proceed by clicking on Settings in the menu. This will take you to the options where you can set conditions for your color coding. It is essential to ensure that your settings are correct to reflect the colors accurately. Next, click on Conditional Color. This option allows you to assign specific colors based on the category conditions you set earlier. This step is critical for visual clarity in your calendar. Then select New Color Setting. This will enable you to define how the colors will appear based on the categories created. Properly configuring this is important for effective organization. After that, click on Category to specify which property you want to conditionally format. This indicates that the colors will be based on the categories you have previously defined. Now, click on Is Not Empty. This condition ensures that any event assigned a category will receive the corresponding color. This step confirms that only categorized events will be affected by the color coding. Next, click on Contains to specify the conditions further. This allows you to refine which events will show specific colors. Make sure you choose the correct conditions to match your categories. Afterward, click on Select. This will enable you to choose the specific categories you want to color code. This is a pivotal moment in setting up your calendar's visual system. Now, click on all three categories you created, low, medium, and high. This will ensure that all priority levels are included in the color coding process. Following that, click on Match First Option. This ensures that the first category is prioritized in the color coding. This step is essential for maintaining clarity and visual representation. If desired, choose a color for the default setting. This adds a final touch to your color coding scheme. Selecting a distinct color will make it easier to identify the priority levels at a glance. Afterward, click on Update Help Center and FAQ. This action will refresh your settings and ensure that the changes are applied correctly throughout your calendar. Next, locate the three dots in the calendar interface. Clicking this will reveal additional options related to the categories you've created. This is a helpful step for managing your calendar. Then click on Category to further refine your color coding settings. This allows you to modify the categories as needed for better organization. Proceed by clicking on Medium. This will allow you to adjust settings for the medium priority category you created earlier. Make sure this category is set up correctly. Finally, click on a blank space within the calendar to save your changes. This final step confirms that all your settings are applied and that your calendar is now color-coded for better organization. And there you have it. You successfully color-coded your calendar in Notion. Thanks for watching and see you soon.